Getting some good rain out here in Houston, not too much, but it's going to be pretty much a steady rain for, I don't know, the rest of the day. Who knows these days? But look what's going on over here. This is the good stick, Alluaudia, dumosa. This is the new growth that I showed you guys on the last update. It was about that big, and now it's all the way up to here, and there's some new growth right there too. And what's cool is, look, you can see this plant it's wet from the rain, but the new growth has a nice like glaucous blue coating, bluish, and that's the farina that's protecting it, like what happens with a lot of succulents. And I guess over time it just kind of breaks down, but it's so pretty. It just kind of sets itself apart. It's very obvious where the new growth is on this plant. Cool, huh? Alright, that's it. Kind of bored with the rain. Stuck on the porch. So I thought I'd make a little update. Later, y'all.